Welcome to learnhowtoquilt.com. I'm Ann, and today I'll be giving you a tip on how to better organize your fabric. I like to cut out all my pieces and then place them on these boards. And then I can stack them next to my sewing machine. I also use these boards to keep my fabric, patterns, and templates together. Or I just use them to put any extra pieces that I might have for a project. They end up being nice and organized. So instead of being all over my sewing room, I like to have them stacked up by projects. So you might be wondering where you get these boards. These came to me from my neighbor Debbie, who was doing a tile project at home, and these were layered in between the individual tile pieces. You might want to contact someone who lays tile in your neighborhood to see if you can retrieve some of these. Thanks for visiting our channel. Usually on Thursdays I have a video for table toppers, and I have videos for this star sampler that's in the back here. But it's been over 100 degrees in the last week and I have no air conditioning. Yesterday my iron even overheated. So as soon as it gets a little bit cooler and I can get back to my sewing, I'll be posting those videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.